Hey, what's up YouTube? It's JB again. We're at the Carlsbad premium outlets. It's been a week or so since I've visited a Nike outlet. I'm gonna go see what they have. Apologize for I've been busy at work, so this is the first time I've had a chance to go out and visit the outlets. All right guys, so let's see what they have in stock today. So there is a line, so let's go see. All right guys, we waited about 10 minutes, another maybe 10 minutes in line. It is the weekend, so. Alright guys, they have these Nike Drop Type HBRs, 49 plus 30% off. They have the Monarchs in the white and the black. Just gonna go down the aisles, you guys. They have additional discounts at the wall. They'll be tagged, as you can see. So you still have these, the Nike Air Force One, Black History Month. So it's around $69. Blazer suede. Just a couple more. There's Air Max 720s. Looks like Jordan Low. Alright guys, we're gonna go to the hash wall. See what they have. They have these Air Force Ones. Hash wall 99 minus 30%. It's pretty much what stands out. Everything else is. And these Jordan Aerospace 720s. Retail price minus 30. They have these Joyrides, you guys. 59. Another Joyride. Couple of the Element 55 Premium. That's this. Air Motion 2. Air Max Infinity with an additional 30% off, so it's around 30 bucks. Some tailwinds, you guys. The Atmos. It's been sitting here at 119. We do have full size front and Air Max 200s. We have the Air Max 200s again. We're gonna just go down the aisle, you guys. Much. A couple of the Act 270s, Air Max Plus, this colorway, University Red 720s. Also got the 95s Orlando colorway 79. It's very much a full size run. Let me check the wall again. There's not much that stands out, so. And we have the JDI selection, you guys. Your slides. Back to the men's hash wall. We're gonna check to see the women's. Guys, this is the hash wall for the women. There's not much other than the ones that I pointed out. Here's these Cortez, you guys. 49, so 15 bucks. We have these Cortez Midnight Maroon at retail price. And we're getting into the GS Grade School. And they have these shadow backboards for 60 bucks. Interesting time for summer. They have these Nike Air in yellow. It is already discounted, so there's no additional discount on it. So we're gonna check the clearance rack for the men. Additional discounts. We have these bags for sale, you guys, and the lunch coolers. $40 plus 25%, so it's $30 after discounts. All right, and if you guys want to know what I had on feet, it's the LeBron 16 at Titan Agima. There. 1, 2. All right, guys, thank you again for joining me here at the Carlsbad Premium Outlets, visiting the Nike in another Nike outlet vlog. It was the weekend, so it took about 30 minutes or so to get into the store. They are running at 30% off the hash wall and an additional 30% off on mark items on the aisles and also apparel. So if you guys are interested to see, you know, what type of deals, so they have that ongoing throughout the week, I believe. I'll post down below the information that they have for you guys. All right, thank you again for watching, and everyone that subscribed, thank you again for subscribing to my channel. If you guys like this type of content, please comment, like, and share down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We're trying to reach 200 subscribers, so which is pretty good for, you know, a part-time YouTuber. All right, you guys, you know, I'll try to post a couple more videos next week, or get more videos the first of the month. It's been kind of hectic at work, so I've not really had a chance to like edit the videos that I have already taken. And all right, guys, until the next video, peace.